Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a couple of tricks if you're a daily driver or work on your car. These might help you a little bit. Let's go ahead and start. So one of the things that I wanted to show you is that if you in a driving mode, not manual but automatic, and then you push this down, that switches between driving modes. So if you look here, now we're sport, now we're in just a normal, and I press it again and it switches to sport, and again, and the same happens when you're driving in auto and you reduce the gear or advance the gear, it doesn't matter, and it switches it to manual automatically, and then you want to go right back to automatic. You press this down and it switches you back to whatever the last you were in. So if you're in a sport mode, in automatic sport mode, then you advance the gear or reduce it, and then 2 seconds later you pull the gear shifter down, it will switch you back to sport mode automatic. So that's one of the things that I wanted to show you. And another thing is this annoying thing: if you open the door and it keeps beeping, you just press this arrow left and that make it shut up for a little bit. I think it comes back after some time, but yeah, I know it's annoying, and that's the easy way to make it quiet. So yeah, open the door and press any of the arrows, will do the trick. So these are quick 2 tips, and enjoy. More videos coming, so please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.